Bertal procedure. Bertal procedure is a life-saving cardiac surgery performed by a cardiovascular thoracic surgeon. Bertal procedure or aortic rule replacement surgery is to replace part of the aorta, the aortic valve of the heart, to correct the aneurysm of the aorta, that is weakening of aortic valve and causing of a bulge into it. In this video, know about the cost of the Bertal surgery in India, the best doctors and top hospitals for Bertal procedure in India. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Why a Bertal procedure is needed? Bertal procedure is a life-saving heart surgery to correct aortic root abnormalities with the ascending aorta and aortic valve dysfunction. The Bertal surgery involves the insertion of a mechanical valve conduit to replace the damaged aortic root. It is regarded as a long-term solution and a gold standard for patients with the abnormalities in the aortic valve, ascending aorta, and the aortic root. Bertal procedure is universally acknowledged as one of the most curative surgical procedures in the field of cardiac surgery. Send your queries to us on our WhatsApp number, that is +91 95820 56061. Cost of Bertal procedure in India. Cost of all the investigation for pre-workup of the Bertal surgery will be around 500 to 1000 USD. Cost of Bertal surgery including the cost of the mechanical valve will be approximately 12,000 to 16,500 USD. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com. Best doctors for the Bertal procedure in India are Dr. Anil Bhan at Medanta, the Medicity Hospital in Gurugram, India; Dr. Z.S. Meherwal at Fortis Escort Heart Institute in New Delhi, India; and Dr. Yugal Mishra at Manipal Hospital, New Delhi, India; and many other top CVTS surgeons in India. CMCS Health is your global healthcare guardian. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com or send your queries on our WhatsApp, that is +91 95820 56061. Top hospitals for Bertal procedure in India are Medanta, the Medicity Hospital in Gurugram, India; Fortis Escort Heart Institute in New Delhi, India; and Manipal Hospital, New Delhi, India; and many other Joint Commission International and NABH accredited hospitals. To know more, visit our website cmcshealth.com or WhatsApp us at +91 95820 56061.